Hey guys, how's it growing? So, as you can see, I harvested all of my one row of potatoes not too long ago. And then I just harvested about half, a little more than half, of this row here. And you can see I got a big haul of potatoes and a really cool looking one. It's a potato with like arms and a head. Potato Man. He's even got a little belly button. Or something else. And another little note at the back. So, I probably will harvest the rest of this row here soon. Based on the biodynamic calendar, I still have a little bit more time. This half row here, and then this was supposed to be another half row with the weeds growing through it. I'll probably try to overwinter them and harvest them in spring. Alright guys, well, until the next one.